How to fix Valorant error code VAL62? For this first step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow app or features through Windows Defender Firewall on the left hand side and click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Riot Client and Valorant. It should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application is of not having means you need to click Allow another app in the bottom side. Click it and click Browse and you can add it. Go to C drive, Riot Games. If you go Riot Client folder means you can get the Riot Client. If you go Valorant folder means you can get the Valorant. Click the Riot Client, click it and add it. I already have so I skip it. You need to click add and click OK in the bottom side. After completing, come to next step. Restart Vanguard. For this, search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. The services page will appear. In this, you need to scroll down and search for VGC settings. Right click, click properties. Make sure the startup type it should be in automatic or manual. It depends on you, but the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. And one more time, right click, click restart. After close it and come to next step, open up Riot Client. Click profile icon, click settings. This page will appear. In this, you need to click Valorant, click repair and start repair. It's actually verifying the game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. After completing it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK and come to next step. Search for command prompt, right click, click run as administrative and type the following text. ipconfig space slash release DNS. Click enter. The next command ipconfig space slash release. Click enter and the next command ipconfig space slash renew. Click enter and at last exit it. After completing, come to next step. Click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Riot Vanguard. Click the three dot icon in the right hand side, click uninstall and uninstall it. After uninstall, you need to open up the Riot client. It will automatically asking you to reinstall the Riot Vanguard. You can reinstall freshly and go to Windows Update. Make your Windows up to date. If there is any download or installation pending having means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. Click network and internet settings. Click network reset and reset your network. Thank you.